Welcome to Anne's Amazing Adventures. I'm not sure what's going on with my lighting or this camera. Maybe the camera's dirty. There, maybe that was all it was. It's a little bit better. But so this was my hair when I finally got finished dressing yesterday. And I wore my purple sweater with my light jeans. So that's what I went to town looking like. That's okay. So, anyways, I got my Temu orders. So I just thought I would show them to you because I want to start using them right away. This is a mat I got for the kitchen, and then I got um, a longer one for in between my two couches in the living room. So that's I'm really pleased with them. They're quite well made and they're nice to stand on. I was already standing on the one I just showed you. So, and I paid $22.47 for them. So I did open all of the bags up, but I didn't open what was inside them up because I wanted to go through them together. Sorry about all the noise. Then I make more. Oh my gosh. All right. Fell down here. Okay, because I'm with Team U Circle, I got a couple of free items. One was this microfiber towel. It's not very big, but it'll be nice for my hair because I've got other ones. These are very nice and thick. I thought they were a lot bigger, but that's okay. I'll use it with on my hair instead of the big ones. So I got that for free. I also got a set of these free. I think I showed them to you the last Temu, but they're like little markers for your material, and they have 10 little pieces. It's like soap is what it feels like, but it's not. So I got those free as well. So I'm pretty happy about them, and pretty happy with that little head towel. So, and then the next thing, I got some more ribbon. This is in the fall colors this time. It's the dark orange, a light tangerine color, brown, gold, and peachy colored. So they're very pretty colors. Just those two. And those two. And those two. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with those. So I can start, once I get this video out, then I can start making skirts again. And that I paid oh, where's the bag? That wasn't it. $9.64 for those 6 rolls of ribbon. So that's a really good deal because there's, I believe there's 5 yards on each of these, plus they're 1.5 inches wide. So those will do one skirt, 2 skirts maybe even. Depends. And then I got some more ribbon. And this one I paid $7.34 for. And each of these has 25 yards on it. One is silver. And one is silver and one is gold color. This isn't showing up too good today where I'm filming this afternoon. I'm not sure why. But anyways, one's silver, one's gold. And they're both like twice the amount you get for the rolls that I buy at Walmart. I also got a ponytail. It's supposed to be gray, but I think it's more white. But it should fit in with some of these colors. I got so many different colors left in my hair. Forget how long this is. I paid $4.96 for it. I think it's a 12-inch actually. But yeah, it's got a rubber band on here. So I can tie my own hair up into it and braid it in together with my own hair until my hair gets longer. And yeah, I'll show it to you once I get it, when I do it. I needed some little clips for sewing, as I don't use pins all the time, but I do like pins as well. So these are little plastic clothespins that you just clip onto your material. I believe there's 100 of them in this bag. So that's handy. They're handy for everything though, for crafts and sewing. And I paid $8.57 for those. And I think that was the one order, or the one bag, that's what was in it. And then the second bag that I got was some personal items and craft items. These are winter booties. I thought they were pretty. Not used to wearing flat shoes, but let me tell you, if I have a heart condition after my surgery, then I'm gonna have to start wearing flat shoes for a while. But they're just little slip-on winter boots. And I paid $13.49, I think, for them. So, and I got a size 40, which is a bigger size than what I usually take. But I thought I can wear heavier socks inside them. So those will be nice. So those were $13.47, I believe. Now, these I paid $3.49 for. And they are scissors. But they have, there's a trick about them with these scissors. If I can get this thing off. It's stuck on there. Oh, there we go. Okay, so see all those different blades? That's for making fringe, like with fabric and leather. And I have lots of leather, so I thought, I've got to try these. They feel sharp and they feel sharp enough, but it's got 5 blades, I believe. Yes, 5 of those blades. Then it comes with a cover for them. And it comes also with a little comb thing. I imagine to clean out the blades, I would imagine. Not even sure. But I think I can't wait to try them. So, let's see. Because I never use the tail ends of my ribbon. So let's just try them. We'll see. Because the tape is always on these rolls of ribbon. So what you do is just cut them like that. Oh, well, maybe not so much. Not with ribbon, I guess. It cuts them, though. It cuts. So I imagine with material, it'll work pretty good in leather. I'm excited about those. But yeah, I never use the tail end of the leather or the ribbon because it's got tape on it. And then where they go around and tape it over on this side, it's usually got a little stain on the ribbon. So I don't want to put those on the skirts. But what I'm going to do is smudge all my ribbon and my material. And then it's done. I don't have to do it every time I start. I can just start my skirts, and then when they're all finished, then I can smudge them again to give them away. And I bought some of these last year, and I loved them. And I paid $3.29 for them. And they're those tights that look like they look like that you can see through them, but you really can't. It just looks like, well, I guess you can see through them, but I like them because the inside is lined, like it's not just a. So those are quite nice. I liked them last year, and I had wore them so much last year. I ended up with a run in the pair I had, so I wanted to get another pair. So now I have them. I'm so excited about. Oh, and here's the red ribbon. I paid $2.23 for this, and it has 25 yards. And I needed the red to make my sister's ribbon skirt. And this, oh, these are little earrings I thought were so cute. Beads and feather. I think it's beads. Feathers for sure, but I thought it was beads on them too. I could be wrong. I should remember because I'm getting fed up with this other company. And I'm not fed up with Temu. I'm fed up with the people that are delivering in this area of the country. Because once they get them, they don't give any updates. So there they are. Aren't those cute? Got little red and white beads on them, and then they got the little feathers on the end. They're like little porcupine quills. Oh, the beads are all different colors. But I thought those were really cute, so I'll be wearing those. No problem. And what else did I get? Oh, a little box of pins with the heads on them, the colored heads on them. And I paid $1.34 for that. There's 100 of those in there. And then, that's all for that bag. I got a smartwatch for $15, $14.98. And so it's a little pink one. But for $14.98, and I had to get one more item so I wouldn't have to pay shipping. So that's what I got. Got that, and it's got a little very light colored pink strap on it. Well, no, it's kind of like I guess it's pink or peachy colored. Anyways, and it comes with a little plug-in to charge the watch up. I'm going to have to put that on right away. Put it on charge right away. Because when I go outside, I keep forgetting to take my phone. And so I thought, well, maybe if I have a phone or this watch on, then I'll remember. Because I can't really do too much yet. I'm still waiting on the call from the surgeon to see when he wants me down in Calgary. Calgary's about 2.5 hours away from me. So I'm going to charge that up, and then I'll be ready. Get it paired up with my phone. Put that there. It says made in China right on the side of it. All right. And then I got this. It's a multi-functional kit for your sewing machine. And it's all got all kinds of presser, like feet on there. Like it's got a pleating foot, invisible zipper foot, roll lace, a nail button, sewing presser foot, a quilt presser foot, a roller so that you can roll your hems, buttonholing, embroidery, that's cool, and a blind stitch. So it's got 12 different feet for the sewing machine, and I'm really hoping against all hope that they all fit my machine. I went to sew a zipper in for Glenn the other day on one of his coats. Of course, I didn't have a zipper foot for my machine, but I did find one in my extra stuff. That's why I never throw stuff out. But yeah, this is kind of nice. So, there you go. Isn't that nice? 12 new feet for my sewing machine. I was going to throw that little box away. Well, I will throw the box away. I'll just keep the top of the box, which says what each of the feet are for. So that is everything that I got in my Temu order. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I did give you the prices, but remember, those prices could be higher or lower. And don't always, I was watching a guy, he was doing some tools, and I love tools because I love working physically with my hands, like doing my woodwork and stuff like that. I love that kind of stuff. So I was watching this guy because he bought some new wood tools. So I wanted to see what he had and what he thought of them. Well, he was saying that, yeah, Temu was playing a game with him because they were cheaper. Some of the prices that he paid, or some of the items that he got, were cheaper in different, like if you went on a different page or something. And I was gonna send him a message that yes, it's just like Amazon, except Amazon will give you the extra, the pieces that are where you can get them cheaper if they're used, and they'll give you the prices, the lower prices, whereas Temu doesn't. But that's okay. You just keep looking until you find the cheap ones. So, because they've got so many suppliers. And remember to check your orders when you get them in case you're qualify for a refund if the prices went down on items that you've bought, and you can claim that up to 30 days, I believe. Yeah, and it's free shipping for anything over $35 here in Canada. What else? Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I just find it a much cheaper site to shop on, and anything that I need or want to try has been fairly good. So I'm good with the site of Temu. So anyways, all right. Well, there you go. Another Temu haul for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed day. God be with you, and ciao for now.